source locally. The main material, fresh timber from the nearby forest. Stones go on the bottom to make a steady base. Then more layers are added to build the stone walls. The stones are arranged to create a central cavity for the firebox. Smaller stones have a bit of mud-filled in the gaps, making sure the stone is both sturdy and heat-resistant, with the firebox shaped to maximize airflow and heat retention. After the stove, we move on to the wall framework. Freshly cut wooden poles and beams come into play. The vertical poles are set by digging deep holes about 1/3 of the pole's length to give them a strong handle from all kinds of forces. The pole is just a bit wider than the pole, so you can manage the placement. The mounted line to keep it stable. Each pole is carefully centered in the line with small stones and compacted ceramic that fits the wall of the poles. By doing things logically, the horizontal beams are locked into position by these vertical supports. They have notches that interlock perfectly with the poles, using simple tools, and his trusty sought to cut logs perfectly. Now, let's talk about this cool wall building method he's using called cold construction. It's a mix of natural materials where the logs are set in a thick layers. This method is super important to the walls to keep together, keeps the wall stable, and even helps with insulation. The mud makes its name from what we sell soil and sustainability. Usually, it's about 20 to 30% from the 70 to 80% sand. This continues to depend on the local soil. Water is added to get the right workable consistency, making the mixture smooth enough to apply around the logs. Starting at the bottom, the logs are laid in staggered rows, much like bricks in a wall. This avoids any weak vertical seams. Bigger logs are used at the base for extra support, and smaller ones go on top as the wall rises. Each log gets a generous coating of the mud mixture on its underside, which not only holds them in place, but also acts as insulation. The builder makes sure every gap is filled with mud molecules around. He frequently steps back to check that everything is aligned and balanced perfectly. The natural round bends in the logs create a perfect look that has charmed no wall design. Once all the logs on the mud are set, he starts compacting the mud to remove any pockets that might weaken the structure later on. This step boosts the wall strength and stability, helping it stand firm against vertical loads and any minor shakes in the ground. This leaves out the surface of a clean, polished finish, which not only looks great, but also prevents water from pooling. As you might have noticed, our building left 3 openings in the structure, 1 door and 2 windows. The door is built a lot like the bed we saw earlier. First, he strips the wood above for a thin looking to keep holes at bay. Then he lines up the logs horizontally and binds them together with wooden dowels, forming a solid panel. Brace at the back. Next, these have small uniform logs and excels them lengthwise to create flat surfaces. These have logs cover any weak spots, reinforcing it and smoothing out any pressure from the pipes or damage. Once everything is aligned, he nails the log securely onto the panel and frame. This extra layer also helps block moisture, keeping the shelter warm and dry. A handle is added at the end for easy use. For the windows, he stretches transparent plastic sheets tightly over the openings. This lightweight substitute for glass fits perfectly with the natural vibe of the building. On to build a small trolley bridge. Using curved logs, he crafts an arch-like structure that not only looks great, but also distributes weight evenly. This bridge provides safe passage over the ground or small streams and symbolizes a beautiful connection between the house and the forest. And that's it. Another incredible build deep in the forest. Perfect mix of skill, patience, and harmony with nature. If you enjoy watching this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more inspiring off-grid creations. See you in the next adventure.